Good morning. To answer your question, Annie, this is the last week of school. School is supposed to happen on Monday the 22nd, but it won't be any work. We'll just be doing a full Google Meet. Okay, this is what I have planned for you this week. I have created a memory book. Your job is to fill in some memories. So if you scroll through it, there's a spot for you to type things like my favorite people to hang out with. Some memories of our classroom, some memories of distance learning about what did you like about having to learn online and what were some challenges. What are your favorite things? What did you do in subjects? Besides the 4 regular subjects, what are your favorite activities to do in each of those? A slide about grade 1 buddies. If you can remember the name of your buddy, even the first name, put it here. And then over here, you could write the types of things that you did. What you did at recess. Something that I will always remember. And stuff about next year when you're going into grade 6. Now, the last couple pages, don't do anything there because I've sent you a different slide. So I want you to go to the selfie page, and you can see the pages look all the same. So follow these instructions. I just want you to take a selfie with the camera, just like I did there. If you don't want to take a selfie, if you have other pictures of yourself, like maybe a profile pic or something that you want to do, I don't care if it's with a filter on it. So whatever you want to upload, but I would like to have a picture of you on one of these pages. Please be careful not to cover anybody else. The other thing that you have to do is a signature page. So if you write your name on a piece of paper, how you would write it at the top of a test. If you don't know how to write, then print it. And then hold it up to the camera, take a picture of it, and then put it on the page like that. So I put mine there. So I would like everyone's signature or autograph. If you want to write a couple words, it's fine with me. So this is all for the memory book. When I have everyone's name, then I will add it to the memory book. So all of you will have everyone's pictures and signatures. If you have other great pictures of us in class or you hanging out with the people from this class, add them here. If you have a good picture on your phone or on your iPad or something, you can add it. So that's our language arts. Also today, I will be sending you some stuff about food chains, food webs, and energy pyramids. This is a lot of work, 17 slides. So it's going to take you all week. So a little bit each week, or a little bit each day. Our social activity is going to be about national symbols. What are we proud of in Canada? And a little bit of history about the flag. So social's going to be a little bit lighter because I know that science is a little bit heavier. Math, I will be posting some stuff shortly about rotations. That's the last thing that we have to learn in our grade 5 math. So hold on, guys. We're almost at the end. We'll get there. All right. See you in a bit.